This is Sheh. Today I'm going to do the homework 10, number 1 of 1 question. The 1 of 1 question is Poisson process. Before we start the Poisson process, we need to know the Poisson process is from the Poisson distribution. Let's refresh our memory of the Poisson distribution. The Poisson distribution is defined as probability of x equal to k equal to e power of minus lambda t multiplied by lambda t power of k divided by k factorial. In here, this meaning t is in the time domain, and lambda equal to the number of occurrence of events divided by interval. Lambda is, so on the other hand, lambda is an average rate for an interval, but it is not fixed. That's the definition. And then if we want to specify an area, and a period in the time domain, for example like this one, if we want to know between these, the probability between T1 and T2, so we need to put T1 and T2 into the fundamental theory here. So on the other hand, the xt1 minus xt2 equal to number of the events in the T2 and T1. That's this area. So the probability of x equal to k will be rewritten as probability of x of t1 minus x of t2, and then the t here, the t we need to rewrite as t1 minus t2. Here will be the same, so it will become this one. That's our definition. We need to rewrite as this one. And then the expected value e of x equal to lambda. That's in the Poisson distribution. So if for the certain period from T1 to T2, here we need to rewrite T1 and T2 lambda multiplied by T1 minus T2. And then the R T1, T2 will become lambda squared T1, T2 plus lambda minimum T1, T2. Okay. And then now we have a clear idea about the lambda process. So let's start the lambda process. The lambda process, we have two categories. The first one is non-overlapping. The second one is overlapping. Let's start from the first one. The non-overlapping. Non-overlapping, it means TA, TB, TC, TD, they are all independent. They are all independent for each point. So the expected value from T1, TA to TB and TC to TD will be as this one. Expected value of XTA minus X of TA minus X of TB multiplied by X of TC minus X of TD. So this one, because it is multiplied, so we can separate them into two individual expected value multiplied together. So then this we rewrite as this one. Okay, we separate them first. And then as we know previously, we know from T1 to the expected value in the time domain, T1 and T2, the expected value will become lambda T1 minus T2. So same thing here. We have the first TA to TB. That's we can rewrite as lambda of TA minus TB, and then the other multiply another lambda TC minus TD. So we multiply them, we become lambda square TA minus TB multiplied TC minus TD. Okay. This is the first one. And then if we are talking about the non-overlapping, the second properties, the overlapping. The second overlapping is TA, TB is here. TA, TB, and TC, TD. The overlapping is TC to TB. In this one, the first we need to solve this equation here. So we need to rewrite from us the expected value will become TA minus TC. TA minus TB, and multiplied by TC minus TD. That's the whole thing. TA. Let's repeat. TA minus TB. That's this one, and TC minus TB. That's this one. So this, and this one we need to solve this one. So we need to start from let's start from TA, TB. So the TA minus TB will become TA minus TC plus TC minus TB. That's the first one, TA minus TB. We become this one plus this one. The second is TC to TD. TC minus TD will become TC minus TB plus TB minus TD. This and plus this one. So it means this way. Then same thing, we apply the one is lambda square lambda T1 minus TB2. We use this one to put this one to plug in. So they will become lambda square TA minus TB and TC minus TD plus lambda TC minus TB. That's expected value. So for the RT1, T2, there are two possibility. Is if T1 greater than T2, which means TA greater than TC. T1, there's a TA greater than TC. So the RT1, T2 will become lambda square T1, T2 plus lambda T2. And then if the T1 is smaller than T2, which is this one, and then it will become R T1 T2 equal to lambda square T1 T2 plus lambda T1. So the only difference is T1 here, the minimum here, T1 T2. So we need to remember this. This is my Poisson process explanation. Thank you.